Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who turned day into night and night into day. Mr. President, the topic under discussion is pen is mightier than sword. Respectable teacher, have you ever seen a judge? He is a person who can hang a person by his pen, who can give life imprisonment to anyone. A person who commits 100 murders stayed held before the pen of judge. Mr. President, all the constitutions are written by scholars, not by mules, not by wicked and criminals. All the people are very happily living with safety and security in their houses because of the written law.
Big hand.